Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting it quite late because I've actually been quite busy today. I woke up quite late as well, got about 10:30, 11. Still on my iPad and that, figured out what to film. Then my cousin come around, I had to go to the shower, get dressed, and I went down to Gracie, filmed a video with my cousin, which would already be up by the time this is up. People outside, so I'm just gonna wait. Never have I ever, I've just finished edited it, I've uploaded it, scheduled it. Now go into pages because it is Bonfire Night. Once again I'm going page 3rd year. It's in my last year one, because obviously the year before I was not starting YouTube then. There's people watching me. We're going out with our family basically, everybody. Paige is vlogging as well. I'll try and vlog a lot for you guys like I did last year. It's so cold. Me and Paige are going on a ride and we're gonna try and vlog on the ride. Got someone shut my name then. Oh my god, it's so cold. 9 degrees. Yeah, I'm really excited. This vlog will probably be up later this week. I said I'd try and vlog Hello World, but unfortunately I couldn't because I started it and I didn't vlog because basically I was there and I met all of you two, took too many photos. If I can, I'm trying to insert a load of photos now.
You guys, happy Hello World. How are you?
But I just can't help myself thinking about you.
Which is gonna just give like a VT right now. Is it gonna play? Okay. This is the first one.
There he is. I swear I've never seen the boy without a camera and a tripod. It's absolutely unbelievable. Welcome, Jake. Now, he's won a medal at the Olympics, but I don't think that matches up to this. He's on the floor. Eddie White goes one round.
Still turning. Let's wait for it to finish. Let's wait for it to finish. Hello. So, we're playing on the...
Thank you very much.
That's gonna make me look really popular in the vlog. Thank you.
Jump in the rain, jump in the nasty, jump in the rain. Make some noise for Candace.
All we really wanna know is can you keep up? Keep up. Keep up. Can you keep up? Keep up. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Growing like I'm the universe, too big. Someone had to be too much. Now with my girl, when I'm holding up, man, keeps going. Every time we gon' hold it in a drop. Jump around. Every time we gon' pull it as a ball. Jump around. All together when we jump, we gon' walk. Jump up, and get down. Everybody jump, 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 jump. No sleep. I'm going in. 'Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming all night. No sleep. Now put those hands up to the sky. Put them up. Like I'm always dreaming. Wide awake. That's okay. As long as I'm with you, I'll be lively. 'Cause I'm up all night. No sleep. 'Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming all night. No sleep. 'Cause I feel like I'm
So that's all the YouTubers. I met all really nice people.
That's all! There's 5 bites.
been at Pages for the last hour or so, and we're now walking to McDonald's, and then we're meeting our family up on the hill somewhere. But me and Paige really fancied the McDonald's, so we thought why not go and just get some. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog tonight, but I'm definitely gonna vlog the fireworks.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
I can see a ride. A stick.
Absolutely freezing.
Oh, 9 degrees. I've only got a jumper and a coat on. Oh my god, I'm so cold.
I woke up this after day, and baby everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me.
I'm on the hill now. Just have McDonald's with Paige. I'm freezing.
It's literally packed.
So busy.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It beats me up.
I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Down the road that goes both ways. When your tears fall down, feel like the river, I'll be there.
But you gotta be there for me.
Last year took a toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again.
Right, so it's now later on in the evening, and I'm now home. And I'm on FaceTime to Daisy, and I haven't ended the vlog because I'm about to go brush my teeth and go into bed. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up, comment down below, also subscribe to this channel on my other channel, link in the description down below. And I'm sorry I did not do loads of Vlogtubers, but I'm going to try and vlog a lot this month and December, obviously, for Vlogmas. So if you haven't already, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I'll see you guys soon in another vlog. Goodbye.